In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a chess.com game quickly and easily. Whether you want to send your match to a friend, post it online, or analyze it with someone else, this simple method will let you do it in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your games. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to your recent or completed games. You can usually find these in your game history or by clicking on your profile and selecting games. Now go ahead and open the finished game that you want to share. It's important that the game is completed because sharing options are fully available once the match is done. When the game loads, you'll see the full board, moves list, and analysis options on the screen. Next, look for the share icon. This is typically represented by 3 connected dots or a share symbol, and it's usually located somewhere near the game interface. Click on that share button and a small window or pop-up will appear. Inside this pop-up, you'll see a URL link generated for your specific game. This is the unique link that allows anyone to view your match. Simply click on the link or the copy button next to it to copy the URL to your clipboard. Once copied, you can paste this link anywhere you like. You can send it through messages, email, social media, or even include it in a blog or video description. Anyone who clicks that link will be able to view your game instantly on chess.com. And that's all there is to it. No complicated steps, no downloads, just a quick and easy way to share your chess.com games with anyone. One quick tip before we wrap up. If you're sharing games publicly, make sure you're comfortable with others seeing your gameplay, especially if it's tied to your profile. It's always good to be mindful of what you share online, so that's how you share a chess.com game step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.